Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about how to block a specific program per user. So it can be possible to block a specific program, or you can even allow a specific program in the computer. So have to edit the policy and goes to run and give a command gpedit.msc. So then we'll put the local group policy editor and goes to user configuration, administrative templates, and then there will be system. That goes to system. You will be get the options to allow specific programs. Here we go. I have two options. Is don't run specified Windows application, run only specified Windows application. So both are different, but it's all the time recommend to use this option rather than run only specified Windows application. Remember one thing, that if you specified some program, for example 2-3 program, and if you didn't specify group policy editor, and if you didn't allow group policy editor, then you will never ever reach to this local group policy editor. So be clear about this. If you all the time, it's recommended to use don't run specified Windows application, because in this option you have to you have to block a couple of programs. For example 2-3 programs I'm going to block. Let me go to edit enabled and then show, and I have to block a couple of programs. For example, I want to block paint, mspaint.exe, and then calculator. I want to block calculator too. Simply you have to give a program and then apply. Okay, now this is enabled. Now let me close this local group policy editor and goes to calculator. Tries to open calculator. You can see the error I'm getting. This operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. And when goes to paint, it tries to open paint, and I'm getting the same error. And then any other program will work. For example notepad, it will work, but since I block the specified programs, then those programs will not work. Just to not configure that, apply. Okay, and this is how we disabled. So once again goes to calculator, we're able to open paint, we're able to open. Now remember one thing, once again I want to share that don't use run specified programs only. Don't use that, because if you are using that, or if you're not sure which applications to block, make sure you allow gpedit.msc, this option. Don't use that. But if you are using, make sure allow gpedit.msc. Otherwise, if you don't, then even if you are an admin user of Windows operating system, we will not able to access group policy, local group policy editor, and it will never return. No secret tricks to get through. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for